Did you know that ChatGPT can analyze images? Let's have a look at how it works. Firstly, we just need to click on Attach Files, upload through computer or your Google Drive. So from here, I've just got a few demo pictures. We'll go with this one. Can you tell me what this is? Let's see. To a lot of people, they probably would be able to see what that is, but if it's just a random item, avocado, likely house variety, correct. Now, if you say you're in the kitchen and you have an avocado sitting by, can you give me some ideas of how I can use it? You know, you might have something sitting in the fridge that you need to use up. Take a photo of it. ChatGPT can come up with a couple of ideas. So there you have it, the first use case of analyzing images. Next, I wanted to test it with this one. So this is a photo of my dog. Now, the dog is a golden retriever cross miniature poodle. So let's see how close Chat can get to it. Can you please tell me what type of dog this is? Probably, I guess if you were doing this, you might want a better body shot so Chat can see. Poodle mix, correct. Labrador, oi, golden doodle, there we have it. So that was a fantastic, I guess it's not really a guess, is it? But it is spot on. Breed known for the friendly nature and hypoallergenic coats. Let me know if you have. So there we go. Again, we could probably ask, can you tell me more about the temperament? Mind my spelling. There you have. Fantastic. So analyzing images, you can tell there that that has actually done a fantastic job to nail it down to one of 3 breeds. I mean, a Labradoodle and Golden Doodle both are very, very, very similar dogs. So it has done a really good job there. Now, you might have some plants growing at home and want to find out what exactly they are. So let's give it a test here. Do you know what type of plant this is? I mean, every plant I try to grow tends to die, so this could actually be quite handy. Rattlesnake, rattlesnake, rattlesnake plant. Perfect. Care tips, this is exactly what I was about to say. Chat can analyze the photo, come up with what type of plant it is, and then give me care tips so I can make sure I can keep it alive, which I am doing at the moment quite well. Alright, now, the last use case would be, let's see if we can do some product information. Can you tell me the nutritional information of this butter spread? Butter spread? I think it's a butter, not a margarine. Searching the web. Butter spreads are popular. Okay, that doesn't look like it's read our picture correctly, so let's just try that again. Let's see what happens if I just feed it that photo directly. ChatGPT does sometimes like to do ChatGPT things. Okay. Per would include fantastic, so there we have that. Lastly, you might have products in your house you just want to know some information about. Let's test this one out. Can you tell me about this product? So that may be a deodorant I'm currently using. Key features, long lasting. So there you go. There are many use cases for photo analysis using ChatGPT. It is so simple and easy to do. And yeah, I just thought I might show you that quickly because it's, I think, a very useful tool to know. All right, have a good one, guys.